Hey folks, I'm Bethany with the Baratza support team. Today I'm going to walk you through brewing with the AeroPress using the Sette 270Wi conical burr grinder. This grinder is stellar when it comes to grinding for AeroPress thanks to its grind by weight technology and the Sette AeroPress Holder. I'm a huge advocate of bar flow and I love the efficiency of grinding directly into the brewing device. You can find the Sette AeroPress Holder along with other grinder accessories on the Baratza Gear webpage. There's a few different AeroPress styles you can use. Today I'm going to use the clear one to best demonstrate the brew. Alright, let's get started. Today I'm going to use a Ponte, a lovely Colombian coffee roasted by Black and White Coffee Roasters. For this recipe, I am aiming for a medium fine grind size that roughly resembles table salt. I have my grinder preset to dose 18 grams at setting 19C. First, I'm going to install the filter. Then I'm going to pre-wet the filter, pouring alongside the sides to preheat the brewing device. At Baratza, we are passionate about honoring the coffee from seed to cup. The best way we can continue this care at home is by grinding on demand. Now let's start brewing. I like to give it a little shake to make sure the brew bed is nice and even. In order to bring out the delicate floral notes in this Colombian coffee, I'll be using a water temperature of 200 degrees. Next, I'm going to tare my scale. I love this scale because it has a built-in timer, but if you have a simple kitchen scale with a timer on your phone, that'll do just fine. Start your timer, grab your kettle, and start pouring in concentric circles for 30 seconds until you reach 270 grams. I like to pour alongside the sides to make sure all of the grounds are saturated. Give it a stir 3 times with a paddle or spoon, then insert the plunger at an angle, then gently pull back up to create a vacuum. We're going to let this steep for 1 minute. Remember that you can make adjustments to your grind size based on where the coffee was grown, what processing method was used, and the roast profile. Most importantly, find your preference. Experimentation is one of the best parts about making coffee. Don't be afraid to mix it up and play with different variables. At the 1 minute and 30 second mark, begin to slowly plunge until you hear a hissing noise. The total brew time should be about 2 minutes. Nice. By this time, you should be enjoying a great cup of coffee. As usual, we want to remind you that our grind settings and recipes are only suggestions to get you started. We build grinders to help you with your routine. But the best tool you have is your palate. Thanks for watching, and cheers!